something would happen. Why are you running?
I'm waiting my friend. He is coming. It's too late. He told me 2 hours ago. 2 hours ago he'll come.
What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for my friend. Did you see him?
I'm coming. Oh, hello?
Hi, is Mickey Mouse available?
Yes, come on.
Alright, tell him I'm here.
Sushi? I'm not sushi.
Black Susie?
No. Ryushi. Blue, call me Blue.
Okay, I call you Blue because your name is difficult. I love sushi. I love you. Where you been? Long time no see.
I'm just working hard.
Yoshi, remember me?
I forget. Tell me something.
It's me, Mario.
Yes, you like to eat mushroom. You didn't lift anything for me.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Did you lift the door open?
No.
Why you left it open? The fly is coming. I don't like a fly.
No, there's a friend is coming. I told me he will escape from the zoo and he will come to visit me.
What do you think? This is your home. You invite your friend to come visit you.
Yeah, you do.
He's just a nice bird and he doesn't know. He told me he wants to come to visit his friend here. Friend?
What a friend.
Okay, I don't know who is coming soon. Let's see.
Okay.
See him. He is coming. Yes, you run away now. No one see you there.
Who are you?
I'm a Fred.
Fred?
Yeah.
Your name is Fred?
Yeah.
Okay, you are so much big. Can one time I sit in your back and fly?
No,
Why? I'm just little Mickey Mouse.
I can't.
Oh. And we wear both red. I wear red.
I'm not wearing red. This is
Okay,
my skin.
from where you come?
Come from the zoo
Why you run away from the zoo?
because I don't want to be in a cage.
This my friend Bluey. He told me that you want to see your friend. What a friend?
Yes, he's a small bird. He's blue.
Oh, you mean that chicken?
Yeah.
It's die away. A long time ago, the dog ate her.
Why?
I did not see. She want to fly. She skip out of the floor. The dog, ho. Eat it.
Oh, okay.
And then he just left only the beak. And we bury it in the floor.
In the floor of your home?
No, in the backyard. There. And we're waiting until it's fly, grow up again and come another birds.
You are stupid.
I'm just silly Mickey Mouse.
I'm a little hungry.
Okay, I will bring something to eat. How about you want to eat? You like the chips?
Yes.
Oh, you want to order for you? A chicken Popeyes. This? No? I'll order for you. Pizza?
Hey, get it out of my face.
No? What do you think? Do you want to play on this?
Let me
What is
eat.
This? What do you want? Do you want to close it right? This one? This yellow leg also. Write something for me.
Get out of my face.
You are so much mean. This is?
Mine.
This for all of us, not for you.
It's mine.
No, you're selfish. Why you bring this selfish bird to us, Bluey? I don't know. He was good. Maybe because he fly away, he too much hungry. Just leave him eat and sit. Alright. You finish eating?
Yeah.
So where do you want to sleep?
I want to sleep in the backyard.
No. There's a bad dog there. He will eat you. I think you will sleep in the home, but above. Because you love to sleep above, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how about to sleep?
What about the tree in the front yard?
Oh, so, I didn't know. We can come over the time at our home. Our door is closed. Have have to stay here in the home because outside is too much hot. Maybe get on the zoo and come and find you and take you again to the zoo.
Yeah, you're right.
So you have to sleep here, maybe above that cabinet there. Up. Good. And every time you get hungry, you can fly away. You go to the kitchen and eat.
Okay.
But don't eat my cheese, please.
I don't even like cheese.
I love cheese. I love cheese. I love cheese.
I don't like cheese.
I'm cheese monster.
Okay.
Alright, right, Bluey?
I think so. Alright, so both of us will sleep in these people. They are very nice. But have to work a little bit with them.
I'm a bird. What do you think I will do?
I know, you can fly. If you find any ant, any worm, eat it. You clean and eat.
I don't eat bug.
So what you eat?
I eat fruit
Okay, so
and
bring
nuts.
Okay, well, any nut left over in the floor, so you clean it instead of the hoover. Hoover.
Fine.
Alright, and also you clean the windows. You lick it in your beak.
What do you think I am? Trash can?
I don't know. I remember you can help in the cleaning. This is your job. Also, maybe you can fly and bring the mail and go to store buy something for us because you're faster than us. You can fly.
Good, fine, I guess so.
Yes. I think so. What do you think, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse? Go outside, come inside. How do you know my sing? I love it. Do you know my grandfather? He always sing this for me before I go to sleep.
Okay, I like it.
Let's show you your home. Let's fly.
Nice.
Are you up there? Are you good?
Yes.
Can you hear us?
Yes.
Alright, what you can see?
I see you and the couch.
You can't see me. Of course you can't see me. How you can see us?
Yes. Anything you can find anything we throw there because that's Mario always throw away anything there. You can see anything toys?
Yes, I can see everything.
I think no, a toy there up there.
Yes.
Yes, throw it to me.
Okay, I found this. Is this yours?
Yes,
I'm coming down.
dog is just a chicken. Yes, he is. Why you think I'm a chicken? Why you eat the chicken? Why you eat the chicken? Bad dog.
You're a bad dog. You're a bad dog.
Bad dog.
Bad dog. I didn't see this dog bad. He doesn't look bad.
Where you went? Here, you. Why you went away?
Yeah, why you went away?
Where's the chicken?
Where is the chicken?
You eat it?
Okay, let's go inside.
I want to drive you crazy, dog. Yes, we drive you crazy. You're bad dog. Bad dog. Bad dog.
Where's the dog?
That's why I tell you have to stay at home. He if he find you, will eat you. He look nice, but sometimes when he get hungry, he eat everything in him and his face.
Even poo-poo?
Yeah, sometimes he eat a stick. Sometimes I found he eat leaves. Sometimes he eat flowers. I don't know why he eat flowers. Maybe he like to make a pancake.
Yeah.
Alright, I will come at home. Where's went to Bluey? Yes, he went to sleep. He told me he went to sleep.
I'm gonna go to sleep. Bye-bye.
Oh, I fly. I want to fly there. Okay. And that is, don't forget, put like, subscribe. Miss you. Bye-bye.